Hey guys, so check out the view from my balcony. It's like snowing from last night. So guys, just look at all these people. It's crazy.
ऐसे अच्छे मौके बार बार नहीं मिलते भाई स्नोफॉल के साथ मार्केट्स.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and currently I'm planning to go out because today is the first snow of this winter 2021. So right now I'm just gonna go out and just experience this snow. This is the first snow of the winter, so it deserves to get explored, so let's go out. I'm kind of scared to go out because it will be very slippery, as you can see. And yeah, this is the first impression of the winter. Oh my god, the ground is so slippery. And let me remove my AirPod because last winter I almost lost my AirPod. It just fell out of my ears. And I spent like 30 minutes finding the AirPods on this white snowy ground. So yeah, this time I'm not planning to lose my AirPods. It's quite expensive. So yeah, just look how beautiful it looks, like everywhere. Whoa, welcome to Poland. And this is the thing I hate about the winters, is just like, I'm not getting the word when the snow mixes with the mud and when the snow melts. So it's like a very, I don't know, very nasty, some, complexion of like mud and dirt and everything. I can already see all the kids, they are very excited for the snow because, I feel like the kids here, they love watching the snow and to play in the snow. When I was young, I didn't have opportunity or this privilege to play with snow because in India, where I live, we don't really have snow. I mean, we don't have snow at all. But yeah, here you can see, oh my god, the houses look beautiful. But yeah, you gotta be careful while walking because it's actually very slippery. So let me tell you some quick facts about snow. It looks beautiful, but when you are on the ground, when you experience it, it's not very pleasant, let's be honest. Like, it just looks beautiful, everything is white, you can see the snow is falling, snowflakes. I know in this video I'm gonna say snow a lot of times, but yeah, it's very hard to actually walk because the ground is very slippery. Battery of my GoPro or my camera will die quickly because it's too cold for the battery to hold its capacity, right? So it gets really hard to vlog. And yeah, let's see what's going on. So right now I'm planning to go to the tram stop and then I'll go to meet Sami. He was also very excited, about the snow. Like, oh my god, everything looks beautiful. So let me tell you, today is a weekend, today is Sunday, and I think that's the reason there's barely anyone on the street. You can see it's all empty. And what happened to my camera? Yep. It's been really freezing and I don't even have my gloves or anything, so I hope it'll be okay. And yeah, so far it's so good. The Christmas vibes. But literally there's no one on the street. Let me tell you, it's not a very good feeling when the snow hits your face. It's like, nah. But yeah, I mean, it's always a privilege to experience snowfall. I really hope the public transportation, the trams are working because, I don't know, maybe they are late. But the weather is not really that good. It's been snowing like this from last night. And let me show you, this is a park actually. And you can see nothing but this white snow, right? Like snow everywhere. I'm living in Poland from past 3 years and I feel like this is the first time when I'm actually going out to vlog on the first day of the snowfall, because usually, I don't know, I was busy or I didn't feel really like going outside. But today I was like, nah, let's do this, Yep. So I just crossed the road illegally because I don't know, it's too cold. So guys, just look how beautiful it looks. And everything is frozen, right? And I can see that everybody is with gloves and caps. I feel like these Polish people, they feel more cold than us Indians, maybe because, I don't know, even here, like, I feel like we Indians, we eat a lot of spices and all this masala and shit. So I think our body is like always kind of warm, you know what I mean? But maybe I'm wrong, but that's what I observe, like, that Polish people, they feel more cold than us. It should be opposite because they are from this kind of countries where it's so cold. In India, we don't really experience all this, right? So I hope I don't fall. It's fucking cool, right?
O, ślizga. Kawałek się przejadłem, może się nie wypadł.
Okay, it's so cool. So you see how happy these Polish people are. I was just talking to that guy and he was so happy, you know, just playing in the snow. He was trying to ride the bike and I don't know what he said, but it was something very funny. So yeah. Currently I'm at the tram stop waiting for my tram, and actually the trams are running, so that's a good thing. Hey guys, so finally I'm here where I'm supposed to be, and just look at this Porsche. Damn, that's like some nice whip. I'm going to see Sami and let's see what he's doing. But yeah, this weather is just getting worse and worse. Like, just look at the snow. मतलब सामी के घर आते हैं ना, ऐसा लगता है wait, what's going on in here? Okay, सामी के घर आते ऐसा लगता है ना, मतलब कहाँ पे आ गए. Guys, I'm gonna show you a very cool thing today. So just keep observing this elevator. It's so old, and you know, you'll see what I'm talking about. Yeah, so elevator is here. It's so heavy, like it's a metal iron. And the way this elevator moves is like, it gives you a jerk, you know. Oh my god, I'm already here. So that's what I'm talking about. So guys, look at this guy.
चलो भाई अंदर.
देखिए
गाना चल नहीं रहा है.
क्या है ये? Guys, finally 1 hour later we are again back on the streets. अब हमारे साथ कौन है, देखिए सामी मोइन. तो guys बस यही है, we are out here and भाई कैसा अंधेरा हो गया है ना, मौसम देखो.
अंधेरा होने वाला है भाई.
ये अंधेरा because of the snow, cloudy, snowy, rainy. अब तो पता नहीं चल रहा है बारिश हो रही है क्या हो रहा है. ये
बारिश भी हो रही है और स्नो भी हो रही है, दोनों साथ में हो रहा है. मुझे लगा था बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
अच्छा लग रहा है.
देखिए गाइस,
ध्यान से चलो यार. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. ये देखिए ऐसा कैसा कीचड़ है, क्या है भाई कीचड़ में. That's the life we live in Poland. So guys, if you guys want to experience this life, then welcome to Poland, guys. Guys, ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरा GoPro भी like freeze हो गया है, बैटरी. Enjoying first snowfall of winter 2021.
वाह भाई, अच्छा ही लग रहा है.
भाई कैमरा फ्रीज हो गया है मेरा, बहुत ठंड.
हाथ फ्रीज हो गया.
मैं बैटरी ऐसे गिर रही है ना GoPro की ठंड से.
बैटरी गिरे भाई, गाड़ी पे अपन निकलते हैं रोड पे. बाकी सब ठीक है. लोगों को दिखना चाहिए, फील आएगी भाई कैमरा गीला होगा.
So every year it used to snow like I think after December, like you know, in the new year. But this year it started to snow early. And भाई तो कैसा सा मौसम हो गया, देखिए गाइस.
नॉट गुड मौसम भाई.
लोग इसी में घूम रहे हैं, गिर भी रहे हैं लोग इसी में.
आँखों में बर्फ आ रही है लोगों के.
वही तो ही घूमना है.
मेरे आँखों में भी आ गई ये बाइक, लेकिन
भाई हमें देखो.
कर नहीं सकते.
So guys, just look at us. I mean, I think we should stay home at this kind of weather.
Yes.
But we are here to experience the first snow, and it's just I want to, you know, showcase you guys, right? This is the first.
Follow me guys, I'm also doing hard work for you.
हाँ भाई, इसको follow कीजिए सामी को भी. So guys, just imagine it's so cold, but I'm still trying to hold this tripod and my GoPro, right? So बहुत मेहनत लगती है guys वीडियो बनाने में. सब्सक्राइब करिए, नहीं किया तो.
बीच में चलते हैं
और
ऐसी जमीन रोड बनाते हैं ताकि गाड़ियाँ स्लिप नहीं हो. अपन हो रहे हैं भले, गाड़ियाँ तो नहीं हो सकता है इस साल भी हो, क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर हुई थी ज़्यादा.
So guys, सामी अपना facts शुरू कर दिए.
I don't need to state facts.
In this vlog we are not doing anything like, I don't know, like very
guys,
crazy or something. I'm just trying to show you the first snowfall and how the city looks and how
Guys,
Polish
we are just
people.
trying to not fall.
Yeah, and we're also trying not to fall on the ground because that'll be very embarrassing, right? So I'm
Not
just trying.
embarrassing, but that's bone breaking.
हाँ, हड्डी वगैरह टूट जाएगी तो यहाँ पे ऐसे भाई इंश्योरेंस वगैरह है नहीं, बहुत पैसा लग जाएगा. फ्राइज खाना है तुम्हें?
गरम फ्राइज
फ्राइज खाना है?
नहीं.
But just look at these people, crazy. ऐसे मुंह पे ऐसा स्नो जब पड़ रहा है ना ठंडे, मतलब समझ सकते हैं ना, फीलिंग समझिए फीलिंग। So guys, just look at all these people, it's crazy.
तो डर गया भाई, समझ करो।
So guys, basically this is the Christmas market for this year. ठीक है, घोड़ा चला रहे हैं ठंडी में, इसको ठंड लग रही है घोड़े को?
कुत्ते को लग रही ठंड, जो घोड़े को लगेगी यार। मैं आदित्य से ही पूछ रहा था भाई, ठंडी लगती? तो होता इतना फर है कि तुम्हारे पे लगा दो तुम्हें भी नहीं लगेगी।
ऐसा नहीं है भाई, लगती होगी भाई। देखो इन्होंने नया लगाया है सिस्टम,
ये हटाना ये ताकि कोई गाड़ी लेकर नहीं आए, पुलिस वाला आया तो ये खुलेगा।
भाई भाई मैं अभी पता है कॉफ़ी पीना है करूँगा मस्त। यहाँ पे है, कल वहाँ पे था पीछे।
पता ही नहीं पड़ रहा इंसान अंदर है या नहीं है। ऐसे अच्छे मौके बार बार नहीं मिलते भाई स्नोफॉल के साथ मार्केट।
So guys, this Christmas market is really happening, but yeah, today is not the day. I mean, not for us. Like, it's too cold, and look at the snow, but people are still like enjoying and eating some churros. I think it's something from Spain.
Yes, guys.
Looks beautiful. I mean, the thing is, in India, we don't have this kind of market, right? Like for
We don't
Christmas.
have this kind of snow.
The thing is, like here in Poland, like this is only their festival, right?
Yeah.
So they really celebrate with the hype and like with the decoration.
High wine.
Wine, yeah.
मैंने भी इधर भीड़ अपनी साइड आ रही है।
ठीक है।
어디 까불이 다 끼놓고 막았다. Ale gorąco. Dobrze pani jest.
Polish people is like really kind of special weather because Christmas with snow is like the best thing they can have, you know. So that's why there are a lot of people and they have a lot of shops. Palain Sami kahan rahe piche. Hey guys, officially welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Christmas market here in Warsaw, Poland. And just look, I'm driven with let's go.
गाइस अति आ रही गाइस, लेट्स गो। तो हॉचूस
छोटे होचूस।
चलिए गाइस बोलिए।
चलो हो गया भाई, उमर हो गया 4 नवाब।
इतना टाइम बाद आए हैं, हमें कुछ खिलाइए गाइस।
ऐसा नहीं आ रहा यूट्यूब से, क्या खिलाएं आपको बताइए। Look at this, who's here?
लोग झूले में भी बैठे हैं।
फोटो लेना क्या साथ में से?
नहीं इतने बड़े नहीं हो गए भाई,
इतने छोटे। वो what is this, mushroom? Big Christmas tree what they have. But again,
शाइनी ब्रो।
in this video I'm not gonna show you like completely everything. I'll make a separate video for the Christmas market, so just stay tuned for that. And again, there's a photo booth, remember? Also it was last year, I guess, right?
Yeah.
I think we went here in the summer market, remember? Whoa. Okay. I hope they were not laughing on me because I was playing with the ball. And I think again we'll take some coffee because it's too cold. So we are buying coffee, yes, and we got a free Orbit, like 2. It's pretty cool, yeah? I'm खुश हो गया भाई, free Orbit मिल गया था। Promotion. Currently we are waiting for our kebab, and this is the first time when Sami has bought me something, right?
ये फर्स्ट टाइम है।
Yeah. So we are in this very special amber kebab. It's in the Rennet. And here's me, like I'm all wet, so don't mind my hair, right? Sami तो भी लग रहा है टिप टॉप, यार।
क्या
तुम्हारा बाल नहीं खराब हुआ है? ओह, बाल कटा लिए तो?
दिखा ही नहीं है बट
Let me tell you, this is one of the best place in Warsaw for kebab. So if you guys are coming to Warsaw, just check out Amber Kebab. I'll also put the link in the description. Check it out. Sponsor नहीं है guys.
ठीक है गाइस, इधर दीजिए। गाइस इतने टाइम से बोल रहा है कि मेरा लिंक डालेगा, इंस्टाग्राम का डाल नहीं रहा है वीडियो के नीचे।
देखिए मुझे सबको फॉलोअर्स चाहिए, मेरे लिंक डाल दूंगा यार, टेंशन क्यों ले रहे हो तुम? सब जानते हैं उनको भाई।
भाई हम फोटोग्राफर, कैमरा क्या है, हमें तो डालो।
हाँ, फ़ोन कर रहे हैं लोग, कैसा लग रहा है तुम्हें?
भाई फ़ोन मत कीजिए यार,
हाँ, क्या
बिना
लग रहा है?
अननोन ऐसे फ़ोन नहीं उठाते हैं। देखिए गाइस आ गया हमारा लार्ज कबाब
So guys, this is the biggest kebab they have. It's really big. Right?
एंड
अपना दिखा दो.
गाइस डोंट ईट बीफ, रेस्पेक्ट द एनिमल, बी वीगन, हैव चिकन.
So guys, finally we are done eating the kebab, and right now we are out again in the snow in the market, and it was a pretty decent kebab. Whenever I go there, I'm always like kind of satisfied with the price and the food. So guys, here in restaurant, in front of the restaurant, in the winters they put this like fire, so you can have some like warm. अगर घर पे बात हो रही है तो मास्क पहनो ना.
ये नहीं जाएगा जो मैं पहनता हूँ.
वही सामी अपने घर पे बात कर रहा है, and I'm kind of following him because he is like showing the Christmas market to his family, and I have no one to call to. My parents are busy. They went to a marriage in India. So.